Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we share with you how to make super simple, super cute summer visors for your American Girl dolls. Inspiration came from awesome paper craft website Pallet. A link to their hat template will be in the description box. Have fun customizing sun visors for any situation, occasion or need. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to support our channel. When looking for a hat pattern, we came across these adorable paper visors from Pallet. You can download the human-sized template from the site. Resize the image to fit an 18-inch doll's head, print off, then adjust the pattern to shorten the brim. Cut out your new template. For a basic visor, trace the pattern onto cardstock. We chose white so we could add details later. Cut out again. Place your cardstock and pattern on a mouse pad or other similar surface. We want to score along the fold lines. We used a dotting tool, but any blunt-tipped object will work. Press firmly to make deep impressions or creases, but not too hard that you tear the paper. First, fold your cardstock upward along the straight line. This will be the band. Then fold downward along the curved line. This will make the brim. It helped to use my fingernail under the crease to help guide the paper. Gently bend the cardstock to achieve the visor hat shape. Unfold your cardstock and apply glue between the two crease lines. Refold and you have the basic hat. You can stop here or hold off on applying the glue and jump into decorating your visor. For our first look, we are using a pastel rainbow palette of paints. Find the center point of the brim to position the first arch. We started with pink. Paint the next arch and keep going till you have filled the brim. You can choose to paint a bold, vibrant rainbow or a completely different image. The possibilities are endless. For now, we are leaving the visor band blank. Flip over your hat and paint the underside to match. Here we took pink foil scrapbooking paper. Use the template to trace and cut two band pieces. Glue one to the front of the visor. Next, measure around the back of your doll's head from temple to temple. Kira's head was roughly 22 centimeters. Cut a length of ribbon that is longer so we can use the extra length for tabs. Hot glue one end of the ribbon to the inside of the visor band. Loop it around, careful not to twist the ribbon, and hot glue the other end in place. Now adhere the second pretty reflective piece to conceal and secure our ribbon. A playful yet practical summer hat to complete your doll's look. Now that we know how to make a visor, we can start switching up the design materials. Here we took red and green cardstock to make a watermelon themed hat. Draw in the seed and stitching details with a black marker. To attach the strap, we made small holes with our brad punch. Feed the ribbon through the hole from the back side. Make a knot for a stopper and secure with hot glue for better durability. Repeat for the other side. Simply tie the two ribbon strings in a bow and our second look is complete. For a rustic, chic third look, we made our hat from black and craft cardstock. We adhered lengths of brown yarn to the brim with liquid glue. We teamed the hat with a wider black polka dot ribbon, then once again covered the inside with another black band piece. Here the ribbons were much longer so we could make a big, cute bow. For a different approach, we are going to use fun foam. Trace the pattern and cut out your fun foam. Since we can't crease the fun foam as easily as paper, we need to remove this section of the template. Again, trace and cut this section from the hat. For a super fast, sporty look, draw a logo on the band while the fun foam is still flat. Next, put hot glue along the curved cut edge. Place your visor on a non-stick surface, then push the band into the hot glue to take on the visor's shape. Instead of ribbon, we are using a 2 cm wide strip of fun foam for the strap. As before, hot glue the tabs to the inside edges of the band. Pop on your doll's head and look 4 is complete. Have fun making all kinds of summer visors for your dolls. They can be as simple or as complex as you like. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.